You can see in the same product you can have the texture of wood, leather as well as specially printed material. Yes, thank you sir. मैं देख पा रहा हूँ ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिसीजन से बना हुआ है काफी.
This is basically a SAF. This is only to show we can do any complex geometries. Now, ये machining करने
This is really a very complex product.
caliber of the technology where we can do edit by any complex geometry. So basically, if you see this,
Yes.
this is all printed out.
Oh, that's
Now,
good.
to do this, traditionally it would take you at least 15 days to make a mold minimum.
Oh, okay.
Then do it, and the cost of mold will be few less. Here we can just print it out in 4 hours, and then this part will be in hand, so you can finish it, and then you can see whether you are going to launch this market into market or you want to have something else.
That's good. So cost efficient and it will save your time as well. So this is really nice and it looks really beautiful.
Yeah.
So किस material का बना होता है? What is the material you use?
This one is a photopolymer.
Okay.
Okay. Similar technology has done this. So let's say you want to give a product texture, different texture
Okay.
like metal or like leather or some ceramic.
Okay.
You can give that texture also.
Oh, that's good. So this is really beautiful. So as you can see in the same product you can have the texture of wood, leather as well as specially printed material. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
This motor, yes. So this is an actual motor.
Okay. This is working mode.
This is actual motor.
Okay.
But this is a prototype done for the same motor.
Okay.
Now let's say you have developed a design where you are going to fix this motor.
Okay.
But you don't know whether this is going to fix
Whether it will
properly or
fix
other
properly.
components are going to go
Okay,
around it.
got it.
So you can,
build a prototype and you can use this prototype.
fix it and
check.
see everything. So check
That's
it.
good.
So you see exactly it resembles the same thing.
This is the real product and this is what they have made using their
Yes.
machine.
So-
Yes. So अगर आपके पास आपको कुछ नया कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर करना है और आप चेक करना चाहते हैं whether the fitment is right or not, so this is the right solution for you. This is good.
So this is then you go further. You want to do manufacturing. So when you do manufacturing, you need lot of jigs and fixtures. So here what you are looking at is a drilling jig.
Okay.
So if you have to drill 4 holes, how
Okay.
you are going to drill it? Currently it is made out of aluminum with 4 holes. You just print it out.
Right.
Put it on the vehicle and just
You can
drill it.
just-
So this is your manufacturing aid.
जैसे